Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we'll be making lasagna with a Korean twist. So, vegan kimchi lasagna it is. Get ready and let's dive right in. Take a proper look at the screen for the full list of ingredients. The main thing you will need apart from lasagna sheets is kimchi. And don't forget that kimchi is not vegan by default, so make sure you get a vegan one. We will separate it from the brine and chop it into smaller pieces. Gochugaru is Korean chili pepper flakes, and gochujang is Korean fermented chili paste. You will also need a little bit of vegan fish sauce. We made a recipe on how to make it, and you will find it in the card in the top right corner or in the description box below. You will also need to get some nice vegan shredded beef or minced meat alternative. We prefer when it's a bit chunkier, so you have something more to bite on. Start by heating up a little olive oil and saute 2 cloves of minced garlic. Before it turns brown, add your vegan meat substitute and keep sauteing for a few minutes until it's lightly brown. Stir in about half a tablespoon sesame oil. Take about 300 ml kimchi brine. Pour it in and stir properly. Add 2 teaspoons vegan fish sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine, 1 teaspoon gochugaru, 1 tablespoon gochujang, and give it a proper stir, as gochujang is quite thick and takes a while to dissolve. Give it a quick try, and if you find it a little too sour, you can dilute it by adding a bit of water. In our case, we added about 50 ml of water, which was enough. After gochujang is completely dissolved, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon white pepper, and stir properly. Maintain medium heat, simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn off the stove and your vegan meat sauce is done. Now, we will move on to how to make vegan ricotta cheese. We are not gonna need anything super special to make the vegan ricotta cheese happen. The main thing is tofu, firm or medium firm, and a few other things you can see on the screen. Let's start by pouring about a tablespoon olive oil into a blender cup. Now take about 400 grams of tofu and crumble it in. Now, add lemon juice from half a lemon. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, and half a teaspoon sugar. 1.5 tablespoon nutritional yeast. Chuck in 1 clove of garlic and finish it with 50 grams cashews. Close the cup and get your blender ready. We will blend it until smooth, which might take a few minutes, depending on the blender you're using. When you are done blending, well, you're done. Put your ricotta in the bowl and get ready. It's time to finally make lasagna. Now, take a baking tray, grease it with vegan butter or margarine, and we will start layering up our lasagna. Start by adding the red meat sauce to the bottom of the tray. Then put lasagna sheets on top of it and add another layer of the meat sauce. Add a layer of kimchi, and a layer of our vegan ricotta cheese. Sprinkle with grated vegan cheese and add another layer of lasagna sheets. Add another layer of the meat sauce, followed by a layer of kimchi, ricotta cheese, and grated cheese. Add more lasagna sheets. And for the final layer, add meat sauce, a layer of kimchi, and the rest of your grated vegan cheese. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. And congratulations! You have successfully made vegan kimchi lasagna. You can garnish it with a little more gochugaru, sliced spring onions, and white and black sesame seeds. Now you can admire the full beauty of the dish before you dig in with your fork. We know this has been a fairly long recipe, but we sincerely hope that this mouth-watering Italian-Korean fusion has put this recipe into your cookbook permanently. If you like this video, don't forget to leave us a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with everyone, and as always, don't forget, you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching, and see you next week!